Hello, Amazing All Stars. Today is Thursday, May 12th. Let's find out what is on our calendar for the day. We know our friend Tad has been hopping all over our chart with numbers. Let's see where he lands today. He was on the number 35. Let's see where he will end up this day. It says he was on 35 and he goes down 3. 1, 2, 3, and over to the right 1. So let's look at our chart and see what that actually means. Let's first pull out our book, which we will find has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes. Remember, keep this by your computer. Every day we will be using this book every day for Number Corner. Once you have the book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes, turn it to page 63. Turn it to page 63. If you need to pause the video to get the book now, please do that. Now that you have the book, we are going to discuss what happens next. Tad was on the number 35. 35. And then he went down 3. Down 3. Wow. Let's get this together. Just taking all of this off of our board so we can see today's information. If Tad was on the number 35, so I'm going to put 35 here, and he went down 3. He went down 10, 20, 30. So we add 30 to that. 35, and he goes down 3. 1, 2, 3. He ends up on 65. And then it said he went to the right 1. That means he added 1. And when you add 1, what number do you land on? What is this number here? 66, yes. So that's our number for the day that we're filling in. 66. Wow, Tad, you've been all over our chart. All over our chart. That's amazing. 66. Very good. We'll add another day that we have been in school. So we'll add another day here. Oh my goodness. We have now officially been in school for 155 days. 155 days. We'll take that information and I'll go over here to our other chart where we're keeping track of the days in school in a different way and change everything to 155. Number word. Remember, it's one group of 100, 5 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, plus 5 ones, 5 ones. We then come down here and say 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 5. And then we have our 100 cents or $1, our 50 cents, and then we are going to change this now because it would be 5 cents, so we can make it a nickel. So altogether we have 4 quarters, 5 dimes, and 1 nickel, which all equal 155 cents, or $1.55. What I would like you to do for the remainder of your time is actually skip count on this chart that we just used. It was in your book, in your math book. I want you to skip count today on this chart by tens, which means you're going to count by tens from 10 all the way down to 120. How do you do that? You would go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. And then try to skip count backwards. Starting at 120 and going all the way back up to 10. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Off you go.